Sciatica or Piriformis Syndrome? Which one is it? Hey guys, my name is Dr. Grant Elliott with RehabFix, here to talk to you about how to determine if you have Piriformis Syndrome or sciatica. Well, first, what is Piriformis Syndrome? Piriformis Syndrome is when the sciatic nerve pierces through the piriformis muscle, and that piriformis muscle is causing irritation on that nerve, thus causing the piriformis pain and the symptoms down the leg. Sciatica is most commonly associated with a disc herniation that is going to push out on that nerve root, which is going to send signals down the leg. Piriformis syndrome is actually extremely rare, even though it is thrown under the bus all of the time. Most people that go into a clinic with sciatic nerve pain or pain in the glute region are told, oh, it's just piriformis syndrome, you need to strengthen your glutes. But how many people come to me on a daily basis that say they've tried this and it isn't working is astounding. The point here is basically never piriformis syndrome. That's just the way it is, okay? So many people are told, oh, your piriformis hurts or you have pain down the leg, you have piriformis syndrome, because that's where your pain is. And that is mistake number one, is assuming that the location of the pain is the location of the problem. A few key ways that you can determine if it's piriformis syndrome is push directly on the piriformis. Does pushing directly on the piriformis create symptoms that shoot down the leg? Then maybe there's a little bit of an issue in that area. Other common symptoms are increased discomfort with sitting for long periods or sitting directly on the glute. But those are common things that will cause the sciatica as well, because the back is in a rounded position and that will irritate discs, which irritate nerves, which causes sciatica. One quick way that you can determine if this is piriformis syndrome or sciatica is stand up and bend over, touch the toes. When you bend forward, if you feel some extra tightness or pain shoot down one of the legs, it's most likely sciatica. It's most likely from a disc or a nerve in the low back, because when you're bending forward, you're not compressing the piriformis muscle. It's not compressing. You're not sitting on it. You're not applying direct pressure. So what is most likely happening is that disc is either irritating that nerve root more, or that nerve is stretching and that nerve is irritated and it doesn't want to stretch, so it's creating the symptoms down the leg. Another quick test you can try is this. Sit in a chair, round that low back, bring that chin to that chest, and now whichever leg that you have the symptoms going down, kick that leg out, okay? Keep that leg out. If you feel like it's putting a zinger down your leg, now in this position, look up towards the ceiling. Did it go away? Might not be piriformis syndrome. Or be sitting here and now point the foot away from you. Did it go away or lessen? That's probably not piriformis syndrome. Most likely, piriformis syndrome just is not your issue. It's just not the issue. It's super rare, but it's thrown under the bus all the time. Everyone's told they have it, and that's just simply not the case, okay? It's simply not the case. It's super rare. You have to have like a disformed muscle, the nerves go through the muscle. It's just, you don't have it, okay? You don't have it. So, I'm not saying that glute and piriformis strengthening movements or exercises won't help. It certainly will. Anyone with low back issues or nerve-related issues down the leg can certainly help by addressing the hips and addressing the strength of the glutes and things of that nature. But it ultimately will not be resolved completely and long-term if you do not get an accurate assessment on your low back and you get the low back moving the way it's meant to, and you get the interventions needed to resolve that issue, so you quit getting that pain down the leg and you quit having this confusion about if it's piriformis syndrome or if it's not piriformis syndrome or what the heck's going on. I understand that confusion. I've been there. I talk with people every day that are there, and it's just frustrating. Most likely, you just need to find the low back movements that are right for you, that are going to calm the disc down, calm the nerve down, and ultimately make you move better and feel better. I'm Dr. Grant Elliott with RehabFix, and I hope you liked this video. Please like, comment, and share, and leave a comment below about what you thought about this video and what else I can help provide you to teach you how to fix your low back.